What's up guys, it's Victor here again. In this one I'll be playing Call of Duty Mobile on the Infinix Hot 10. I had reviewed this device sometime last week and our overall performance is impressive. It comes with 3GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage space, and it's powered by MediaTek's Helio G70 processor, which is a good processor. This is evident in the Infinix Note 7 running on the G70. We'll see if this Infinix Hot 10 is truly hot. If you haven't seen my detailed review of the Infinix Hot 10, the link is in the description and the card section. Please subscribe and turn post notification on so that you'll be the first to know about hot videos like this one. By the way, my gaming skill has really improved. I'm not a pro yet, I know, but I'm definitely better than 3 weeks ago. I saw myself climb from level 0 to level 32 within 2 weeks. Thanks to my teachers, Easy Boy and MADU unboxing. I even won like 2 or 3 battle royale games. I never expected it. I'm now in love with games and I'll be buying the PS5. I can't believe I just said that. I'll leave my Call of Duty Mobile username victorpraiz in the pinned comment. Add me up and let's team up to injure some enemies. Guys, I'll soon be on my path to 8k. 8k, wow. I can't believe this. It's incredible and I'm so grateful for all of you, especially those of you that keep coming back to keep watching my videos. I'm super grateful. I'm grateful. Wow. 8k, Oppo. I hope to get to 10k before my 1 year as a YouTuber. Please, if you haven't joined us yet, if you are not a prescriber, smash that subscribe button so you'll be prescribed. And also remember to turn on that post notification on, very important, so you'll be notified when I post a new video like this one. Yeah, these guys are wasting me once in a while, but it's not too much. It's not that much. I'm still a leader, an elder in my gang, so most times I end up as the MVP of my team, and other times I am the winner, and some other times I lose. But I'm way better than what I used to be, so Gameplay in my opinion was a smooth sail and I didn't notice any frame drop or stutter. If you did, let me know in the comment section. And the temperature change wasn't anywhere close to alarming or drastic. The phone was still very touchable. Battery life also is incredible. However, the sound quality wasn't fantastic. There is only one speaker on here, so you miss out on some stereo goodness. I would like to say that the Infinix Hot 10 is an incredible budget gaming phone, and for the price of 64,000 nairas or $160, it's your typical bang for the buck. Let me know what you think about my gameplay in the comment section. How far am I from being a pro? And let me know what you think about the Hot 10 device from Infinix. Hot or cold? Thanks for watching this one, dear prescribers. I'm gonna see you when I see you in the next one.